Hey everyone! Welcome back to Agriculture Today. We're diving into an exciting topic. 5 unbelievable hacks for growing vegetables in small spaces. No matter if you're living in a cozy apartment or have a tiny backyard, these tips will help you maximize your gardening potential. Gardening is not just a hobby. It's a way to grow your own food, save money, and connect with nature. So let's jump right in. Hack 1. Vertical gardening. Hack number 1 is vertical gardening. This technique involves using trellises, wall planters, or even hanging pots to grow your vegetables upwards instead of outwards. Why is this beneficial? Well, vertical gardening saves space, increases your yield, and can even improve air circulation for your plants, which helps prevent diseases. Plus, it adds a beautiful aesthetic to your garden, turning even the smallest spaces into vibrant green retreats. For instance, climbing plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, and pole beans thrive when they can grow upward. You can easily create a vertical garden using items like repurposed pallets, old ladder frames, or commercially available wall planters. Pro tip: use a sturdy trellis or fence and plant your climbing vegetables at the base to encourage them to grow upwards. This not only saves ground space, but also makes harvesting easier. Hack number 2. Container gardening. Moving on to hack number 2. Container gardening. This is a fantastic way to garden if you're short on space. You can use pots, buckets, or even recycled containers to grow your veggies. And the options are endless. What makes this method so great? First, it allows for flexibility in placement. You can arrange your containers on patios, balconies, or even windowsills, following the sun's path to ensure your plants get enough light. Here are some different container sizes and types, including some self-watering options that can help reduce the frequency of watering. Consider planting herbs like basil or parsley in smaller pots, while larger containers can house more substantial vegetables like peppers or tomatoes. Make sure your containers have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. You can also mix potting soil with compost to provide your plants with the nutrients they need. Now, let's talk about hack number 3, square foot gardening. This technique involves dividing your garden into square foot sections for intensive planting. Why is this effective? It maximizes your space and allows you to grow a variety of plants in a small area. By organizing your planting this way, you can ensure that each plant has enough room to thrive without competing for resources. Here's a simple layout you can follow. For example, in a single square foot, you can plant 16 radishes, 9 carrots, or even a tomato plant. This method not only helps you keep your garden organized, but also makes it easier to manage and maintain. Remember, rotate your crops each season to prevent soil depletion and pest buildup. This method is perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners looking to optimize their space. Hack number 4. Companion planting. Hack number 4 is all about companion planting. This involves planting certain vegetables together for mutual benefits. For instance, did you know that tomatoes grow great with basil? They enhance each other's flavor and can even repel pests. The benefits? You get natural pest control, improved growth, and better use of resources. By planting companion species, you can create a more balanced ecosystem in your garden. Here are some effective companion plants you can try. For example, planting marigolds alongside your vegetables can deter harmful insects, while planting garlic near carrots can help keep carrot flies away. Make a companion planting chart to keep track of which plants work well together. This can help you plan your garden layout more effectively. And finally, hack number 5. Using walls and fences. This method allows you to utilize vertical space even more by letting climbing plants grow up walls or fences. What's the advantage? This not only creates a microclimate for your plants, keeping them warmer and protecting them from harsh winds, but also saves valuable ground space. Plus, it adds a unique visual element to your garden. Look at how peas and cucumbers can beautifully climb up a wall. You can create a stunning green backdrop for your garden. Just be sure to provide proper support as they grow. Train your plants by gently tying the stems to the support structure or using plant clips. This will encourage them to grow in the desired direction and help you manage their growth more effectively. Finally, to recap, today we covered 5 unbelievable hacks for growing vegetables in small spaces: vertical gardening, container gardening, square foot gardening, companion planting, and using walls and fences. These methods not only help you maximize the space you have, but can also enhance the overall health and productivity of your garden. I hope you feel inspired to try these techniques in your own gardening journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your own small space gardening hacks in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening! Until next time, keep growing and thriving.